Not only do SUVs need to be reliable and fuel efficient, but every vehicle must meet these criteria. These factors affect how well the car performs over time and affect the expense of long-term upkeep. Consumer Reports just published its scores for several compact SUVs in terms of dependability and fuel economy. In this video, I've put up a list of the best small SUVs based on Consumer Reports ratings for dependability and fuel economy. Please think about supporting the channel by subscribing and pressing the notification bell before we get started. 2023 Subaru Forester. It's about time for the 2023 Subaru Forester to receive the praise it merits. Consumer Reports names it as one of the greatest choices for people looking for a very dependable and fuel-efficient car, even though it might not always be at the top of lists of the greatest compact SUVs. The Forester has an impressive fuel efficiency rating of 28 miles per gallon, with 20 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the interstate according to their tests. It also boasts a high reliability factor, requiring little maintenance, having no serious problems, and having had no big recalls so far. The cost of the Subaru Forester varies based on the trim level. With a starting base price of about $27,000, the base model is reasonably priced. Even the most costly touring model, which retails for $37,500, has opulent features like all-wheel drive and upscale interiors without breaking the bank. The roughly $30,000 premium trim is a fantastic choice for individuals trying to strike a balance between price and amenities. Upgrades include a panoramic sunroof, an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot, 17-inch alloys, a rear spoiler, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, and body color side mirrors. Not to be overlooked is the 2023 Subaru Forester's performance. It has a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine that can generate up to 182 horsepower and tow 1,500 pounds. Even while they might not be groundbreaking, these figures are impressive for the category. Smooth and secure trips are guaranteed by the Forester's responsive and sophisticated handling, which includes powerful brakes and precise steering. In conclusion, the 2023 Subaru Forester is a great choice for anyone looking for a small SUV because it is dependable, efficient with gasoline, and provides a satisfying driving experience. 2023 Honda CR-V Hybrid. The 2023 Honda CR-V Hybrid is the most fuel-efficient small SUV on the market, claims Consumer Reports. With 31 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, it has an amazing total rating of 35 miles per gallon. With these numbers, it's a great option for anyone trying to cut fuel expenses. One significant change for the 2023 model year is that Honda no longer needs a distinct hybrid model because a hybrid system is now standard on the top trim levels of the CR-V. You can choose between the $33,000 and $40,000 Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid trims to enjoy the complete hybrid performance. With its elegant look, black exterior highlights, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and 18-inch black wheels, the Sport Hybrid trim is especially enticing. In the city, it is predicted to get 43 miles per gallon, which is more than the Toyota Rav-4 Hybrid. The Sport Touring version is a wonderful alternative for people looking for extra features and all-wheel drive. Even though it costs more, the Honda CR-V Hybrid from 2023 is incredibly dependable, in addition to being fuel-efficient. Its dependability is continuously praised by a variety of sources, making it an excellent purchase, especially for those trying to cut costs. Compared to many other compact SUVs, the CR-V is expected to cost $400 less per year in maintenance and repairs. Because of its well-designed construction, the CR-V has very few major problems, both in terms of frequency and severity, which highlights the overall high quality of the car. 2023 Kia Sportage Hybrid. Tested by Consumer Reports, the 2023 Kia Sportage Hybrid is one of the most dependable and fuel-efficient small SUVs. It gets an amazing 36 miles per gallon overall, with 31 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the interstate. These impressive figures are noteworthy for a compact SUV. The Sportage Hybrid's outstanding dependability ratings, low expected yearly maintenance and repair expenses, and the fact that most minor problems only occur during the first 3 to 5 years of ownership all contribute to its allure. The Kia Sportage Hybrid base model has a 1.6-litre four-cylinder turbocharged engine that can provide up to 226 horsepower when combined with an electric motor. Although all-wheel drive is an option, front-wheel drive is the default setup. The 2023 Sportage Hybrid's cabin is identical to that of its non-hybrid sibling, with a roomy and functional design that can easily fit 4 adults and their belongings. Although the 2023 Kia Sportage Hybrid has a respectable driving experience, it does not outperform rival vehicles such as the Honda CR-V. Its performance can be improved by choosing the more costly X-Line Prestige plug-in hybrid trim. At roughly $43,000, this model level comes with all-wheel drive, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 261 horsepower total drivetrain horsepower. It provides a certain amount of toughness to the Sportage Hybrid. At about $32,000, the mid-range EX model offers the best value for those on a tight budget. It's a desirable choice with options like heated front seats, wireless smartphone charging, and a larger 12.3-inch infotainment screen. 2023 Lexus UX. The 2023 Lexus UX is an SUV even though it looks more like a sedan. This car is only offered as a hybrid variant and is built on the same basis as the Toyota Prius. The 2023 Lexus UX has been ranked by Consumer Reports as one of the most fuel-efficient compact SUVs available, with an overall 37 miles per gallon, 32 miles per gallon in the city, and 42 miles per gallon on the interstate. The motor of this entry-level luxury SUV produces 181 horsepower. A 4-cylinder gas engine and 2 electric motors power the front-wheel drive vehicle, while an additional electric motor powers the back wheels in the all-wheel drive type. Its acceleration is a little slow, but still sufficient for daily commuting. Reliability for a 2023 Lexus UX has surprised people. The car's technological features work, and its parts are well made, allaying initial worries about excessive maintenance costs and serious problems. This model has not yet been the subject of any recalls. It also has a number of safety features, including as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keeping assistance, and standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. The best option for the Lexus UX is the UX 250h F-Sport handling trim, which costs $44,000. Numerous enhancements, such as a sporty suspension, a sleek instrument cluster, and comfortable front seats, make this trim level worthwhile. Its responsive and elegant driving style guarantees that guests will have a good ride. 2024 Toyota Rav-4 Prime. When the Toyota Rav-4 Prime was introduced, nobody saw it coming, especially considering its amazing plug-in hybrid configuration. It stands out on the road not only because it is the fastest SUV Toyota has ever produced, but also because it boasts an amazing all-electric range. The 2024 Rav-4 Prime receives an overall fuel efficiency rating of 72 mpg from Consumer Reports, with city and highway ratings of 74 mpg and 71 mpg respectively. These numbers demonstrate its exceptional fuel efficiency, which makes it perfect for family vacations and lengthy travels. Dual electric motors, a 2.5-litre inline-4 engine, all-wheel drive, and an 18.11 kWh battery pack are features of the 2024 Rav-4 Prime. With a maximum power output of 302 horsepower, this plug-in hybrid car is incredibly strong. With the exception of the GR Super Sports car, it has remarkable speed and does not exhibit any sluggishness when accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5.5 seconds. The Rav-4 Prime has outstanding ratings for reliability from Consumer Reports and the IIHS, which recognized it as a 2023 top safety pick. This award highlights the variety of safety features it offers, such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure alert, pre-collision aid, and Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. The 2024 Rav-4 Prime is ideal for compact families and weekend trips since it provides plenty of space for both passengers and goods. With dependable performance that won't let you down in the middle of a drive, it offers the smooth driving experience that is typical of a small SUV. It is more expensive for its class nevertheless, with a starting price of about $43,000. I appreciate you seeing. Click the like and share icons if you thought this video was entertaining. Your assistance keeps the channel expanding. Till then, have a safe trip.